Hi, I'm Robin. This is an unboxing for the Dell Inspiron 3593 Intel Core i5 laptop. Still in the box, hence unboxing. This was my prize for a competition that I entered with ETech and Intel. Smells like victory. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Can't say that with a straight face. Wherever it is, just smash it. Smash it. So, let's get down to business. Look at this! Power cord. The rest of the power cord. All of these instructional papers. Inspiron 15 3000. Got a nice little finish on it. This texture. Bam! Look at this baby. Ooh, girl. Spill resistant keyboard. Fancy. Great for all the blood, sweat and tears that I put into my work. And all the coffee I spilled because I'm super clumsy too. And not in like that cute, gypsy way that women in romantic comedies are supposed to be like. I'm that clumsy that like annoys people around me because I just fuck shit up all the time. Okay, so let's get this plugged in. How it works. You see? You see? Okay, so while this loads, I don't think that I mentioned, but I even got a fancy new backpack from ETech. Oh, I'm sorry, a fancy new backpack from ETech. Oh yeah! Look at it. Isn't it nice? Always got your back. That's cute. Guys, this thing is dope. Okay, so this lovely lady you see before you has an Intel Core i5 1035 G1 processor that runs up to 3.6 gigahertz. It's got 4 cores and 8 threads. That's cool for what I need it for. 8 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, Bluetooth 4.1, 1 USB 2 port and 2 USB 3.1s. It's got the integrated Intel UHD graphics. Obviously it's got an HDMI port, headphone and microphone jack, and a DVD writer. Okay, so this is the webcam. It's 720p. The quality is not great right now, but I'm pretty sure that's on account of the fact that the lighting in this room is not great at all. It's got an anti-glare display, a non-reflective screen, which I love. Hate it when the screen is a little bit dark and then you make awkward eye contact with your own reflection while you're busy stuffing a bag of chips in your mouth and you just wonder what you have become. So that's not going to happen with this, at least. It's got a 15.6 inch display, 1366 by 768. Yeah, the graphics look pretty good from where I'm standing. Probably don't look as good through the camera. So I hope you enjoyed my very first unboxing video. I hope that it was informative and exciting and all the things you dreamed of when you first clicked on that link. If it wasn't, I'm sorry, my bad. I'll do better next time. If you did like it, or if you have faith that I will get better with my next videos, it's always a possibility. Now I'm gonna go get my fancy new backpack, put my laptop in it, and prance around the room like I'm a baller.